Hi there, welcome to Fenston Carter. In this video we're going to be taking a look at another of our Elements carpets. This is the Element Synergy. Let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness, look at these, super soft. We call these Chelsea carpets. It's got a lovely sheen. Can you see that as you wipe it across? That's lovely. Very, very deep pile. Let's just measure this for you. This is, it's a 12.5. Do you know what? I think that's nearer 13. 12.5 to 13. But it feels deeper than that. It's very, very soft. Oh, God, I love this. Can't afford it though myself. A nice range of colours as well. I love this turquoise. Don't you like that? Not your colour. Dusky pinks. This only comes in a 4-metre width, but it will join. If you've got a large room, these join fine. That won't be a problem. Elements Synergy. Find it on our website. A really, really lovely carpet. Thanks for watching. Bye.